Hi friends, welcome to Data Plus. Okay, after very long times, I didn't upload any videos because of my busy work. Okay, you can see this. It is a mini cyclone occurred at my home last night. So everybody's heard about that the tsunami attack was climbed in Sumatra Islands. So these days, very winter days in our areas. So it is damaged my banana trees, and you can watch the windy days. A lot of trees are facing difficulties too. Okay, this kind of climates every human being must face in their lifetime. So just for the entertainment and viewing for your happiness, mental relaxation. There's no major damage. We had faced only minor damage. Trees are very important to human beings. So without trees, we can't live. So we have to protect the trees. The nature is very important to survive. Okay, so we have to grow more trees because it is the oxygen cylinders. Okay, you can get oxygen from the trees, so we have to obey the trees, we have to maintain the trees, then only we will be happy in our life. Okay friends, we will meet another good video, good update in future. So do support continuously, subscribe my channels and share the videos. So we will meet the good update. Sri Data Plus have a lot of videos. Okay friends, take care, stay safe, bye.